how to open the page of each job and extract its full description. We are still in the for loop we created in the previous video, and the last thing we extracted was the job link with the code line link equals job.find a class result title dot get href. So, do you remember what you have done to parse the main page? Now you should do the same to parse each job description page. First, you connect to the page. Job response equals requests dot get link. Then you get the source code. Job data equals job response dot text, and pass it to BeautifulSoup to parse. Job soup equals BeautifulSoup job data html.parser. Now you extract the job description, and it is in a section tag with the ID posting body. Job description equals jobsoup.find section ID posting body.text. Here you use the find method, not find all, because there is only one section tag, and as usual, you use the .text to extract the text without tags. You can also extract some job attributes like compensation and employment type from the P tag, whose class name is attragroup, using this code line. Job attributes equals jobsoup.find P class attragroup.text. However, sometimes this tag is not found, so you have to add a conditional statement. Job attributes tag equals jobsoup.find P class attragroup. Job attributes equals job attributes tag.text if job attributes tag else in A. So the first line specify the tag, and then the second line says extract the text from the tag if the tag is found. Otherwise, just add the string in A. Note that we're still inside the for loop. Finally, print the job details including job description and job attributes. As you can see, when you run the code, there is now more details about the job and its description. Try to run the code on your machine and let me know if you have questions. You can download the code under the References section.